Alright, I'm Nifty Thrifty Girl and going to feature a vintage Sears Kenmore in this video. This is a model 1303. It's a tank, literally. It weighs like 40 pounds. One of their all steel machines. It's a basic straight zigzag machine, nothing fancy, very easy to use. It's a Workhorse, plain and simple. It does have a 1 amp motor, but that is quite sufficient to just run the straight zigzag. There's no internal cam stacks or any extra parts. I do have a PDF copy of the instruction manual that I can send you after purchase. Now, I do want to note that this is supposed to have a automatic buttonholer. That's what this knob is. It's like RFB. I'm not guaranteeing the buttonholer. I'm just not. Didn't seem to be working right. Don't know what the issue is. It does not affect the straight and zigzag mechanism of the machine. It runs great. It is a high shank machine. It uses 15x1 needles, class 15 bobbins. It comes with the zigzag foot and a seam guide and some bobbins, and of course the copy of the manual. This would be a good machine if you have some heavy duty projects or if you just need a basic straight zigzag machine. Tabletop ready, freshly serviced. It has the typical 17-inch Kenmore bed, so it will not fit in a Singer style cabinet or case. You will need a Kenmore case for it if you choose. Check my other listings as I try to keep carrying cases available for these Kenmore machines. Bobbin winder on the top. It is not double needle capable. This one will use single needle only. Very easy to use. Very nice running machine. And here we go. And try zigzag. It runs smooth, has nicely balanced stitching. All around, good running machine. And like I said, it is a tank. I wanted to get the quarters out here. It has high lift under the presser foot, which is common for the Kenmores. Even though it's a high shank, you still get lots of lift. As you can see, there's 5 quarters, 6 quarters with room to spare. Now I'm going to go over and we're going to do 6 layers of Levi's. I'm using a size 16 needle. And this is where the high lift comes in handy because you can just flip around. And there's 6 layers of Levi's and a couple layers of suede leather. Of course, this is not an industrial machine. You have some leather work that needs done, light leather work. I'm not talking about saddles or knife sheaths or saddle bags. We'll handle it. And that is your Kenmore all steel vintage model 1303.